I'm Sharice, and here's what's happening at Restoration Station.
Restoration Station Philly is moving to its new location. Starting September 1st, worship services will be held 9 a.m. at the West Philadelphia Achievement Charter School at 6701 Callowhill Street in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Spread the word to your family and friends because Restoration Station Philly has a new location. Restoration Station presents Night of Worship, Tuesday, August 27th at 7:30 p.m. at the West Philadelphia Achievement Charter Elementary School, 6701 Callowhill Street, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. There will be special musical performances as well as dance teams that will be ministering during this night of worship. Invite your family and friends because you don't want to miss this awesome night. This Wednesday, Restoration Station is taking it to the streets again. We'll be handing out postcards regarding the upcoming revival and the Back to School Bash. We need all members to meet at the church at 6:30 p.m. to get our marching orders, and then we will hit the streets. Thanks in advance for helping to spread the word about these upcoming events. Restoration Station presents Night of Worship, Thursday, August 29th, 7 p.m. at our New Jersey location. Special guests include True Elite, Arts of Faith, Jerome Power Neal, Jay Langston, the Abundant Life Fellowship Women's Ensemble of Edgewater Park, as well as Pastor Dorian Morgan and Total Praise. Make sure you invite your family and friends because you don't want to miss this awesome night of worship. Join Restoration Station for a revival at the Burlington City Waterfront, Friday, August 30th at 7 p.m. with special guest preacher, Reverend Dr. Corey Jones of Tabernacle Baptist Church in Burlington, New Jersey. The theme for the evening is Unity in the Community. Local pastors will be coming together to pray for our community during the service. This event will also feature praise and worship from Restoration Station, music from Iglesias de Dios, and more. Don't miss this awesome move of God. You're invited to join the Unity Choir for the upcoming Burlington Waterfront Revival. The choir will be singing Every Praise during the event. All are welcome, singers and non-singers alike. Rehearsal is this Monday, 7 to 8 p.m. at our New Jersey location. Just come with a heart to praise the Lord. Restoration Station, it's that time again. We're preparing for our annual Back to School Bash to be held at our New Jersey location Sunday, September 1st, 3 to 6 p.m. during our normally scheduled service. As always, Restoration Station will be giving away free school supplies, haircuts, hairdos, and food. There will also be games and live entertainment. Restoration Station members and friends, we need to make this event a success. Calling all ladies. Mark your calendars November 1st and 2nd for the 7th annual Potter's Clay Women's Retreat. This year's event will be held at Restoration Station's new location, 4313 Route 130 South, Park Plaza in Edgewater Park, New Jersey. This year's theme is Possess the Land and will feature anointed, dynamic preachers and speakers, empowerment workshops, and the 3rd annual Leading Ladies Awards Banquet. Further details are coming soon, so stay tuned because you do not want to miss it. Did you know that Restoration Station has a Facebook page? Make sure you friend us today and stay connected. At this time, we would like to welcome all of our first-time visitors. If you are here for the very first time, we want to say welcome to Restoration Station, a place where change happens. It is our hope and prayer that you enjoyed today's service and received a life-changing message. Directly after our service, a visitors coordinator will be in the back of the sanctuary holding a first-time visitor sign. Please follow them out to a special VIP visitors reception where we will have refreshments and a free gift just for you. So again, thank you for coming, and we look forward to seeing you next Sunday.
And that's what's happening here at the station. And you can order a copy of today's message for $7 by simply filling out one of these forms.